If you have yet to receive your tax refund, you are not alone.
Apparently not. NBC Connecticut Responds has heard from some very frustrated taxpayers, but the state says it is making some progress. Consumer reporter Caitlin Burchell joins us with the details.
Connecticut's Department of Revenue Services says it's stopped $8 million of fraudulent returns just this year. Tax day was April 15th, and we're told 55,000 returns were flagged for review. 1 month later, the department posted on its website that 30,000 returns were still under review. As of Monday, it told NBC Connecticut Responds that was down to 23,000, and today, just a few thousand returns remain. State law prevents the department from going into detail of at what it looks at or examines to evaluate these returns that are flagged. But I spoke to a local who received a letter in the mail from the state earlier this month asking him to confirm his identity. And once he did this, he got his check a couple days later. He said he filed his taxes like he always does. Now, DRS says it's received 1.8 million income tax returns this past filing season, and 97% of the refunds were issued within 2 weeks of receipt of the return, and its processing time is ahead of last year's pace. But that's no solace to a senior on a fixed income who I spoke to this week, who's still waiting for his refund to pay bills. For NBC Connecticut Responds, I'm consumer reporter Caitlin Burchell.